We've all seen her, looming over the Parisian skyline, a silhouette etched into the global consciousness. We see her sparkle, we see her majesty, we see her as the undisputed Queen of France. But what if I told you this iconic landmark, this Iron Lady of Paris, holds secrets? Stories whispered by the wind through her lattice, hidden tales etched into her very iron bones. Tonight, we're going beyond the postcard, beyond the sparkle, to uncover the hidden heart of the Eiffel Tower. Her story, like many great sagas, began with controversy. When Gustave Eiffel first proposed his colossal vision for the 1889 World's Fair, it wasn't met with universal adoration. Far from it. Paris, the city of exquisite art and delicate architecture, recoiled. Over 300 prominent artists and intellectuals, including the likes of Guy de Maupassant and Charles Gounod, signed a furious petition, branding it as a truly tragic street lamp, a gigantic black factory chimney, a barbaric mass. Imagine for a moment the outrage. A monument so reviled, so vehemently opposed, yet destined to become the very symbol of elegance. What compelled Eiffel to push through such a storm of disdain? Perhaps he knew something they didn't. Perhaps he saw beyond the temporary, beyond the aesthetic complaints, to a destiny grander than anyone could imagine. But the deepest secret isn't just about its initial reception, it's about its very purpose. You see, the Eiffel Tower was built to vanish. Intended as a temporary archway for the World's Fair, it was slated for demolition just 20 years after its grand opening. A disposable marvel. Can you fathom that? The thought of this global icon simply dismantled and melted down, lost to history. What saved her? It wasn't public outcry initially, but something far more strategic, far more prescient. It was science. Eiffel, a man of profound foresight, understood the tower's potential beyond tourism. He installed a meteorological station, an astronomical observatory, and most critically, a giant antenna for wireless telegraphy at its summit. He transformed a public spectacle into a vital scientific laboratory, a living monument to progress. And this proved to be her salvation. As the 20-year demolition deadline loomed, the military realized the tower was indispensable for long-range radio communication. It became France's strategic ear and voice, a silent sentinel intercepting vital messages. It was no longer merely an architectural marvel, it was a guardian. This strategic importance wasn't just theoretical. During World War I, the tower played a crucial, clandestine role. Its radio transmitters jammed German communications, disrupting enemy offensives. It intercepted critical intelligence, most famously the Zimmermann telegram, a coded message that helped bring the United States into the war. Imagine the silent drama unfolding hundreds of feet above Paris, unseen by the populace below, shaping the course of history. The Eiffel Tower wasn't just watching the war, she was fighting it. But beyond its grand wartime narratives, there are more intimate secrets, whispered from within its very structure. Did you know Gustave Eiffel had a hidden apartment for himself near the very top? A cozy, velvet-lined sanctuary, complete with a small laboratory and a piano, a place where he could escape the crowds, entertain illustrious guests like Thomas Edison, and gaze upon his masterpiece from an exclusive, unparalleled vantage point. Imagine the conversations held there, the scientific musings, the quiet moments of triumph. It was his personal eyrie, a secret room in the sky, known only to a select few. And what about the names? etched into the iron frieze just below the first platform, almost invisible from the ground, are 72 names, not of kings or conquerors, but of French scientists, engineers, and mathematicians. Eiffel's silent tribute to the unsung heroes of his nation's intellect, a quiet defiance against the critics who called his tower barbaric, he inscribed the names of those who embodied true French ingenuity. These names were painted over in the early 20th century, then painstakingly restored, their existence a testament to the quiet pride and vision of the man who built her. Today, she stands not just as a monument, but as a living testament to human audacity, scientific innovation, and an unwavering spirit. She reminds us that true greatness often begins with fierce opposition, that purpose can evolve beyond initial design, and that even the most celebrated figures hold personal dreams and quiet tributes. So the next time you gaze upon the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower, remember her secrets. Remember she was once scorned, destined for disappearance, and yet became an invaluable war hero, a silent scientist, and the keeper of a visionary's private sanctuary. She is not just an iron lady. She is a testament to the enduring power of dreams, resilience, and the hidden stories that truly make history alive. And perhaps, just perhaps, she has many more secrets yet to tell.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden stories, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content.